Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of data science. This is a field where technology, statistics, and business acumen come together to create powerful insights. Are you curious about how businesses make smarter decisions? Data science is the key to unlocking those answers. Do you wonder how scientists make groundbreaking discoveries? Data science plays a crucial role in these advancements. The answer often lies in the power of data science. It helps us understand complex phenomena and solve intricate problems. In today's digital age, we are surrounded by massive amounts of data. This data is generated from various sources like social media, sensors, and transactions. This data holds valuable insights waiting to be unlocked. By analyzing it, we can uncover trends, predict outcomes, and make data-driven decisions. That's where data science comes in. It combines statistical techniques, machine learning, and domain expertise to extract meaningful information. It is a fascinating field that empowers us to extract knowledge, identify patterns, and make informed decisions. Data science is transforming industries and driving innovation. Whether you are a student, a professional, or simply curious about this rapidly growing field, this beginner's guide will provide you with a solid foundation in data science. You'll learn the basics and understand how to apply them. We'll explore the basic concepts, the data science lifecycle, and the essential skills you need to succeed. From data collection to analysis and visualization, we've got you covered. So, get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of data science. This adventure will open up new opportunities and broaden your horizons. Data science is like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, we solve complex problems and answer important questions using data. Imagine you have a giant puzzle, and each piece of data is like a clue. These clues can come from various sources and in different forms. Data science helps us put those clues together to see the bigger picture, revealing patterns and trends that were previously hidden. In simple terms, data science is the process of extracting meaningful insights from data. This involves cleaning, organizing, and analyzing the data. It involves using a combination of techniques, tools, and technologies to analyze data, uncover hidden patterns, and make predictions. These techniques can include statistical analysis, machine learning, and data mining. Just like a detective uses their skills to solve a mystery, data scientists use their expertise to uncover valuable insights. They apply their knowledge to interpret the data and provide actionable recommendations. Data science is used in countless industries today. From healthcare to finance, marketing to entertainment, data science is making a significant impact. Data science is transforming the way we live and work, driving innovation, and helping organizations make better decisions based on data-driven insights. The data science lifecycle is a step-by-step process that guides data scientists in their work, ensuring that they follow a structured methodology. It is a structured approach to tackling data science projects, providing a clear roadmap from start to finish. This approach ensures that each stage is handled systematically and efficiently, minimizing errors and maximizing results. Step 1. Define the problem. This is the foundation of any data science project. The first step is like choosing the mystery we want to solve. It's about identifying the core issue. We need to clearly define the problem we are trying to address, setting the stage for the entire project. What questions are we trying to answer? What are our goals? These are crucial to understand before moving forward. Step 2. Collect and pre-process data. This is where we gather the raw materials for our analysis. Next, we gather all the information we need, ensuring we have a comprehensive data set. This could be anything from customer data to social media posts or even sensor data from IoT devices. We then clean and organize the data, removing any inconsistencies or errors, making sure it is ready for analysis. This step is crucial for ensuring the accuracy of our results. Section 4. Explore and visualize data. Now we get to explore the data we've collected. We look for patterns, trends, and relationships. We might create charts and graphs to help us visualize the data and gain insights. Step 4. Build and train models. This is where we use powerful algorithms to create models that can learn from the data. It's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make predictions based on what it has learned. Section 5. Evaluate and refine models. Once our model is trained, we test how well it performs. We want to make sure it's accurate and reliable. If not, we go back and make adjustments to improve it. Step 6. Communicate results. Finally, we share our findings with others. We present our insights in a clear and understandable way, using visualizations and storytelling to explain what we've learned. Section 6. Keep exploring the world of data. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of data science. Remember, this is just the beginning. Data science is a vast and ever-evolving field with endless possibilities for exploration and discovery. Embrace the challenge, never stop learning, and who knows what amazing insights you might uncover.